In this video, I will show you how to publish your Base44 app to the Google Play Store. So this used to be more difficult, but they have added a feature that makes this quite simple. First, you want to click Publish on your app. Now go to Mobile App. Now this wasn't there before. Before you could only do Web. And then you would need to use an external service like AppMySite to turn it into a mobile app, which was pretty expensive and difficult. But now just click Mobile App and click Check Your App right here. Run the app scan, in this case for the Google Play guidelines. So they have some guidelines that your app needs to match, and if it doesn't, you will need to make some changes, but if it already matches all the guidelines, then it will tell you right here. So right here we can see the results. In this case it's not ready, and it's not even really close. The key issues: user account deletion, navigation and backstack, system integration. Now you can get a full report right here. Now if you click Fix with AI, then you get a prompt right here in the chat that will fix everything. So I'm just gonna send this and wait for it to finish up. So a few minutes later and it's done. So let's try this again. Click Publish, Mobile App, then go Check Your App, and I'll run the same app scan again to see if everything is correct now. Even after you give it the prompt, I recommend doing this again just to be sure that everything is correct, because otherwise it's going to cost a lot more time if your app gets rejected. So right here you can now see that this app is ready. The drop downs and selection controls, there are some warnings, and the bottom tabs and stack preservation as well, and the disabling system gestures and selections. But overall it's good and it's ready, so from there I can just continue. Now you will need to have a Builder Plus plan for this, which is their $40 per month plan. That allows you to build the store files. So usually Base44 builds the apps for web, but for uploading to mobile, you will need to have a certain type of code. So it turns your code that it uses for your web app into the code that it will use for your mobile app. So from there you can then submit your app. For this, you will need to have a Google Play developer account. So search for Google Play Developer and go to Google Play Console. Then you want to sign in with your Google account and start the registration flow. Enter your developer profile details such as your developer name, contact email and website. Review and accept the Google Play terms and policies. Complete the registration payment to create your Google Play Developer account. And after setup finishes, sign into Google Play Console and confirm that you can create a new app. And once you have all your files ready, what you want to gonna do is just go to this Google Play Console account and submit those files. And that is how you can publish your Base44 app to the Google Play Store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.